This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Today we're dealing with a Bosch dishwasher that was smoking out of the control panel. So we're going to unplug it and see what's going on with the controller. So we're going to remove some of the Torx 15 screws that are surrounding the controller near the top of the door. We don't need to remove all of the screws, but we want to remove all the ones here at the top and then a couple down the side. And they're the ones that are holding in the whole control panel. I got a feeling that some of the components inside the controller itself are damaged. So we're just removing all those screws, and then we're going to grab the control, the whole panel, and we're going to pull it toward us and pull up, and it'll come out. Here we're looking at it. We're going to remove these little wires here on the back of the controller, and I'm going to pry back the case and just take a look in there. There's these little clips on the side. Just lift them up, and then it kind of hinges back, and you can look inside. Yeah, and we can see it's all burned up in there. So it looks like the heater relay just got overheated and basically caught on fire. So luckily the fire didn't spread, but we noticed some smoke and also noticed like a buzzing sound. And if that's the case, it's important to unplug your dishwasher and take a look inside to see what's going on. I'm just pressing on these little tabs, and now the whole controller comes out of the frame. I got the wires disconnected. I'm going to open it up and take a better look. Yeah, so it really got burned up. It looks like everything's still intact except that one relay. That's the heater relay. And it must have got overheated, or somehow there was a short circuit, and we got a lot of damage. There's been a lot of house fires that have come from this too, so nothing to fool with. Just thought I'd show you guys what that looks like. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance.